Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called the Wi-Fi, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the list of networks, and so on some of them you will see the connected message. That means that the watch is connected to that network. So find the network you want to disconnect from, tap on it, or rather tap on the arrow next to it, this arrow right here, and then tap on delete, and the network will be forget or disconnected basically. So it won't say connected on it anymore, which means that watch is no more connected to that network. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.